Hi, now we are going to see chapter 8 statistic and probability. Okay, formulas to remember. First problem, range R is equal to L minus S. Here L is Roger's value and S is smallest value. Okay, now coefficient of range is equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. Here standard deviation sigma is equal to root of summation I is equal to 1 to n into xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. Okay, variance sigma square is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. Here assumed mean method sigma is equal to c into summation di square divided by n minus summation di divided by n whole square. Okay, now we are going to see exercise 8.1. First problem, find the range of the following and also find the coefficient of range 43.5, 13.6, 18.9, 38.4, 61.4, 29.8. Okay, here the solution here given is 43.5, 13.6, 18.9, 38.4, 61.4, 29.8. Okay, here given largest number is L is 61.4 and smallest number is 13.6. Okay, now we have to find the range R is equal to L minus S. 61.4 minus 13.6 is equal to 47.8. Okay, now coefficient of range is equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. Okay, so 47.8 divided by 75. Okay, 61.4 plus 13.6 is equal to 75. So the coefficient of the range is 0.64. Okay, second problem, find the variance and standard deviation of the wages 9 workers given below. Here 310, 290, 320, 280, 300, 290, 320, 310 and 280. Okay, here we can get x bar from summation of x divided by n. Okay, we have to add the given wages. Okay, so 310 plus 290, 600 plus 320, 920, 920 plus 200, 280, plus 300 plus 290 plus 320 plus 310 plus 280, we get 2700. Okay, that means 2700 divided by 9. Okay, here it cancel, we get x bar is equal to 300. Okay, here we have to find, we have know the formula variance sigma square is equal to summation d square divided by n and sigma is equal to root of summation d square divided by n. Okay, so now we have to find x minus x bar and d square. Okay, so here d is equal to x minus here d is equal to x minus x bar. Okay, so 310, here x values 310, 290, 320, 280, 300, 290, 320, 310, 280. Okay, here 310 x minus x bar, so 310 minus 300 we are get 10, so 10 square is 100, so 290 minus 300, so minus 10, so minus 10 square is 100, 320 minus 300 is 20, so 20 square is 400, so 280 minus 300 is minus 20, so square is 400. Now 300 minus 300 is 0, so 0 square is 0. Here 290 minus 300 minus 10, so here 100. 320 minus 300 it gives 20, so 20 square is 400. 310 minus 300 it gives 10, so 10 square is 100, so 280 minus 300 is minus 20, here we get 400. Okay, here we know summation x is equal to 2700. Okay, so now we have to find summation d square. Summation d square is equal to 200 plus 400, 600 plus 400, 1000, 1100, 1500, 1600, 1600 plus 400, 2000, so 2000. Okay, here we know the formula for variance. Sigma square is equal to summation d square divided by n. So here 2000 divided by 9. So here we get 2.22. Okay, so the variance is 222.22. Okay, so now we have to find standard deviation. Okay, sigma is equal to root of summation d square divided by n, so root of 222.22, it is approximately is equal to 14.9. Okay, third problem, if the standard deviation of your data is 3.6 and each value of data is divided by 3, find the new variance and new standard deviation. Okay, here solution, here the standard deviation of the data is 3.6 and each data is divided by 3. So new standard deviation is also divided by 3. Okay, new standard deviation is also divided by 3. So here new standard deviation is given by standard deviation of the data and divided by 3. Here we get 1.2. Okay, so now variance is sigma square, so 1.2 whole square is equal to 1.44. Okay, so the new standard deviation is equal to 1.2 and the new variance is equal to 1.44. Okay, fourth problem, the measurement of your diameter centimeter in of the plates are prepared in a factory are given. Find its SD, standard deviation. Okay, given diameter is 21 to 24 is 15 plates, 25 to 28 is 18 plates, 29 to 32 is 20 plates, 33 to 36 is 16 plates, 37 to 40 is 8 plates, and 41 to 44 is 7 plates. Okay, now we have to find the standard deviation. Okay, here solution, here assumed mean is A is equal to 30.5 and C is equal to 4. Okay, here this assumed mean is get from the middle value of the given range of the diameters. Okay, so here C is common difference between the diameters. Okay, so diameter interval x and middle value xi and number of plates is fi, and here di is equal to xi minus a and di is equal to xi minus a divided by c and fi into di square and fi di square. Okay, so now the first diameter is for easy conception we can be written 21 as 20.5 and 24 as 24.5. Okay, so 20.5 minus 24.5, its middle value is 22.5 and here fi is 15 plates. Okay, so d is equal to xi minus a, so xi is 22.5 and a is 30.5. so 22.5 minus 30.5 we get minus 8. Okay, so here minus 8 divided by 4 is minus 2. So fi and di is, so 15 into minus 2 minus 30. So here di square, so di square is here minus 2 square is 4. Okay, so fi and into di square is 15 into 4 here 60. Okay, now for 25 to 28 it can be written as 24.5 to 28.5. Okay, so here the middle value is 26.5 and number of plates is 18 and xi minus a is minus 4 and here we get minus 1. fi and di is minus 18 and here di square is 1 and fi and di square is 18. Okay, so now we have to find for 28.5 to 32.5. Okay, so here the middle value is 30.5 and the number of plates is 20. So 20, 30.5, 30.5, 0. So here the values are 0. Okay, now we have to find for 32.5 to 36.5. Here the middle value is 34.5 and the number of plates is 16 and xi minus a is equal to 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So here 4 into 16, sorry, 16 into 1, 16 and di square is 1. 1 square is 1. So fi into di square, so 16 into 16. Okay, now 36.5 to 40.5. So here the middle value is 38.5. Here difference is 8 Number of plates is 8 and also the difference is 8. So 8 by 4 it gives 2. So 8 2s are 16 and DI square is 2 2s are 4. So 8 4s are 32. Okay. Now 40.5 to 44.5. Here the middle value is 42.5 and number of plates is 7 and the difference is 12 and 12 by 4 is 3. So 7 3s are 21 and DI square is 9. 3 square is 9 and 9 into 7 gives 63. Okay. So the summation of FIDA is 16 plus 16, 32. 32 minus 30, remainder 2, 23. 23 minus 18, it gives 5. Okay. And FIDA square. Okay. So 60 plus 18, 78. 78 plus 16, 94. 94 plus 32, 126. 126 plus 63, 189. Okay. So here number of plates is, total number of plates is equal to 84. Okay. Now we have to find SD. SD is equal to summation of FID square divided by N minus summation of FIDA divided by N the whole square into C. Okay. Here standard deviation sigma is equal to C into root of summation DI square into Fi divided by N minus summation DI Fi divided by N the whole square. Here C value is 4. We know that summation of Fi into DI square is equal to 189 divided by number of plates is 84 minus summation DIFI is 5 and the number of plates is 84 the whole square. Okay. Now the 4 into root of 189 divided by 84. 189 divided by 84 can get cancelled. It gives 2.25 minus here 5 by 84 can be written as 0.059. Okay. Whole square. So here 0.059 can be written as 0.0035. Okay. 2.25 minus 0.0035 is subtracted. It gives 2.2465. Okay. So 4 into root of 2.2465 is equal to 4 into 1.498. Okay. Here root of 2.246 5 can be written as 1.498. Okay. So 4 into 1.498 can be written as 5.99. It is approximately, it's equal to 6. Okay. So the standard deviation of the given factor is equal to 6. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe my channel.